building. It's called the Penta because of the shape. Points in the shape of it. Our students don't really come here for classes. Most of the time we go on the other side, this core building or A building. Here you can find bachelor programs like communication, journalism, some bachelor programs about orthopedics, I think, and ergonomics. So kind of the soft bachelor program, not really the hard IT. The women. I mean, I'm not gonna say it like that, but okay. I think it's a really fancy building. It should be energy neutral. Should.
Is it?
Should. Yes.
Okay.
Kind of.
It's a kind of.
We have solar panels, of course, on top. There's a really big heat pump in the basement. So we produce enough of energy for the building itself, not to add more and more energy into it. But actually it's just a building, regular classes, tables, that's it. In the basement we have one of those. There, the students, our biggest is 200 students, we'll put them in. Last week we had a celebration. Our master program MCT is 25 years old, and last Friday we had a celebration here with 350 guests. So all our alumni from the last 25 years, well, not really all of them, but from each year some of them were here. So we had 350 guests, which was kind of cool. There's a restaurant downstairs, a lounge downstairs. We go downstairs and then we go to the park. The last building.
Hoor je dat heel?
Oh my god. Ja, zo ver kan ik niet. Hij is gewoon een beetje
Yeah, it's really cool. This is the best place actually when it gets a bit warmer, because everyone wants to sit outside, of course. By design, this building should have been higher, but unfortunately our neighbors were complaining because it was too high, and then all we did was just like lowered the building into the ground, and that's why we have these like hidden spaces. This is a really cool space when it gets a bit warmer, because there's a lot of people out here. On the other side there's a kind of a back door as well. I think more over that side, so we kind of dug it in and we used the sub entrances for more places like this. The architect of the building was Thomas Roo. Thomas Roo is, I think, Dutch-German, quite well known for his material choice, because he makes a passport of each material he uses to be able to reuse it when the building gets decommissioned. Let's say our boss in 50 years says, I don't need the building anymore, we take it down, then like the metal we can reuse, the glass we can reuse, there's so much kilos of glass, which is worth, and that's what he prepares as well. So his use of materials is always well thought of, and that's kind of his trademark. Thomas Roo is really a cool architect. What's this? Not really that important. But yeah, cool building, I think.
Ja, ik ben eigenlijk het bouwen voor een teken.
This is the industrial design center building where we have our industrial product designers here. So it's a bachelor program, design all kinds of products, and they focus on, I think, 3 or 4 areas. One of them is how to be able to use products if you have a disability. So you adapt products that you can use them. Then there's industrial design for products. Then there's furniture. You can see some pieces of furniture of that. They used to be an exhibition here, but now it's gone. I think most of the stuff they just threw in that room over there. But for preparing that bachelor program, of course, we need really a lot of stuff. I'm going to take you through the labs. You will see a metal workshop, a wood workshop, 3D printers. There is a laser cutter in the office over there. That's not generally publicly available. You need to have a consultant. One of our teachers is full-time in this room for helping you to operate the 3D printer, the laser cutter, and so on. But the other parts of the lab is free for students to use, and then there is a full-time supervisor as well. It's good because it's quite nice, the exhibition, but who was here? So, let's go to the labs. Yep.
What is this? Wow.
3D printers are in that that room up there. Here you can have foam cutters and so on.
They are doing their labs.
We used to do this at a lower level, then somebody would say, no, I'm not going to do this. Because we used to have classes earlier, then you decide as you go up, you decide which direction you want to go. But then it was too expensive for schools.
Kind of show that you've rented something, everything gets written down. There's someone here at all times to help you if you don't really know what you need to do, or to explain how the machine works. You can lose a lot of fingers before you understand how the machine works. So they're here to help you how machines work or what machine you need. Because you can say, I need to drill a hole in that. Do you need like a drilling machine, or you're going to do it by CNC or whatever? So they will help you if you haven't learned it in class already. Because they're really hands-on. This industrial product design is really hands-on class, as you can see. We have some general classes, chairs and meetings and so on. But most of the magic happens here in this part of the video. Ja, die zijn natuurlijk
Done blue.
Even you can play here. If you want, you can hang. We never thought this is too big. It's too big. It's 5 times of the.
Yes. Actually, this
I have already heard that.
only that part.
Yeah.
Very big.
Very big. Very.
building of our campus. So as you can see, we have quite a big campus from the building, the furthest, which is here, all the way to the level. So we have the swimming pool, the Penta, and then some buildings over again, but okay. And then we have the DIE, the game development building as well as our building. So that's our campus here. We call it Kortrijk Weide, which can be translated, I think, by Kortrijk Meadow or Kortrijk Fields. I don't know why they call this area of Kortrijk Weide, maybe because it used to be a meadow or something, but that's why we call our campus Kortrijk Weide as well. So that's our entire campus. I hope you learned something about what we have here from bachelor programs, so from IT, to the soft ladies bachelor programs, to the game development, architectural product design. That's what we have. Never, I'm gonna say I didn't say that. So.
I think